You will never throw away eggshells. After watching this, the next time you crack open an egg, pause before tossing the shell in the trash. Eggshells have many practical uses, so throwing them away means missing out on their potential benefits. Being rich in calcium and having a naturally abrasive texture, eggshells are versatile and eco-friendly. Embracing their uses can be seen as a sustainable way to reduce waste. To inspire you, here are some creative ways to reuse eggshells. Number 1. Reduce coffee bitterness. If your coffee tastes too bitter, try adding crushed eggshells to the coffee grounds before brewing. The calcium in eggshells, which is alkaline, helps neutralize the coffee's acidity, resulting in a smoother flavor. This simple trick can make your morning brew more enjoyable. Number 2. Eco-friendly exfoliant. Instead of using microbead-based cleansers which harm the environment, consider eggshells as a natural alternative. Dried and crushed eggshells can be mixed with an egg white to create a gentle exfoliating cleanser or face mask. This eco-friendly solution also helps rejuvenate your skin. Number 3. Calcium supplement. Eggshells can serve as a budget-friendly source of calcium. Ground eggshells are rich in calcium, with just one shell providing about 2 grams, more than double the daily recommended amount for adults. You can mix the fine powder into juices, smoothies, or food for a nutrient boost. They're also great for pets, as they help strengthen their bones and teeth when added to their diet. Number 4. Joint pain remedy. Eggshells combined with apple cider vinegar can create a home remedy for sore joints. Soaking eggshells in a jar of apple cider vinegar for a couple of days releases nutrients like collagen, glucosamine, and hyaluronic acid. These nutrients can help relieve joint pain when the solution is applied to affected areas. Number 5. Homemade cleaner. Eggshells' abrasive nature makes them perfect for creating a non-toxic household cleaner. Mix crushed, dried eggshells with baking soda and a bit of water to clean stoves, countertops, pots, and even shower surfaces. This eco-friendly cleaner avoids the chemicals found in commercial products. Number 6. Deterring stray cats. If stray cats are causing trouble in your garden, eggshells can help. Coarsely crushed eggshells spread around your garden act as a natural deterrent. Cats dislike the sharp texture under their paws and will avoid the area, keeping your garden cat-free. Number 7. Enrich birdseed with eggshells. Encouraging birds to visit your yard can help control pesky bugs, and adding crushed eggshells to birdseed provides them with essential nutrients. Female birds, especially those needing extra calcium after laying eggs, will benefit greatly from this supplement. If you don't have a bird feeder, you can simply sprinkle the crushed eggshells on the ground for the birds to enjoy. Number 8. Clean stained mugs. Eggshells are a natural solution for removing coffee or tea stains from mugs. Crush some eggshells, add them to the mug with a bit of water, and let the mixture sit overnight. The shell's porous texture helps lift the stains, leaving your mugs clean without heavy scrubbing. Number 9. Repel garden pests. If pests are damaging your garden, try using eggshells as a natural deterrent. Scatter broken shells in areas where slugs and other soft-bodied pests are most active. The sharp edges of the shells create an unpleasant surface for these creatures, keeping them away from your plants. Number 10. Use eggshells as seed starters. Save money on seed pots by using eggshells instead. Fill half an eggshell with potting soil, plant a seed, and water lightly. If you keep your egg cartons, they make an ideal tray for holding the eggshell seed starters until it's time to transfer them to your garden. Number 11. Supplement your chicken's diet. If you raise chickens, you know how important calcium is for their health and the strength of their eggshells. Mixing crushed or powdered eggshells into their feed provides a great calcium boost. However, avoid giving them whole shells, as this might encourage them to eat the eggs they lay. Number 12. Enrich your garden. Soil eggshells can provide much-needed calcium for your garden, especially if you grow tomatoes or peppers. These plants are prone to blossom end rot, a condition caused by calcium deficiency. Scattering crushed eggshells around your plants can prevent this issue, improving both the quality and yield of your crops. Number 13. Create homemade sidewalk chalk. For a fun activity with kids, try making sidewalk chalk with eggshells. Use shells from hard-boiled eggs to avoid unpleasant odors. Heat 6 eggshells on a paper towel in the microwave for 4 minutes, then grind them into a powder. Mix the powder with a teaspoon of flour, food coloring, and enough water to form a thick paste. Press the mixture into toilet paper rolls and let it dry completely. Number 14. Add eggshells to compost. When in doubt, toss eggshells into your compost pile. They decompose quickly and enrich the soil with calcium, potassium, magnesium, and other trace minerals, producing high-quality compost for your plants. To ensure safety and cleanliness, wash the shells thoroughly and bake them at 150 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes to eliminate any bacteria. Eggshells offer a wide range of practical uses, from gardening to crafts, proving they are far more versatile than they might seem. What will you do with your eggshells? Share your ideas and let us know. If you enjoyed these tips, like and share this information with others. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful content.